Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Alicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix any not reflecting in your Gemgala. This app is a social app that allows you to play games, interact with friends, and earn from this app. This app, for you to actually see your earnings very well, or for the app to be very active for you, you must have enough followers. It's just as if followers are the fuel of this app. You must have enough followers, enough coin, and so on. Now, if your earnings are not reflecting in this Gemgala app, there are reasons for this. The first reason is task an event not completed properly. Maybe you did not complete the event properly at the appropriate time given. It might delay it. Number two is delay updates. Maybe it's from the event. They are still preparing the reward for that particular event, so you just have to be patient for a few minutes, maybe for the next 24 hours. The third is for poor network. Maybe at that your area or location at that particular time, network is poor, and because of that you might not be able to get the reflection of the update of your earning for that moment. I have the fourth one here. Event reward still under review. Maybe the reward for that particular event is still under review. That is why it's been delayed, to be sure of the kind of reward that will be assigned to people that win that particular event. Purge or server problem connected to network. You can still off your phone by pressing the power button steadily and restart it again, or you can go and on your airplane, and after 15 minutes to 20 minutes you off it. It can help to reduce bugs from the app, and sometimes it could be because you violated or restricted some of the policy guiding the event, or your account has violated the policy of Gemgala. If something like that happens, it will be very hard for you to see your earnings. So if you have restricted the policy guiding Gemgala, it might affect your earnings. The minimum withdrawal or credit limit not reached can also be cause of this. If the earnings have not reached a particular amount to be withdrawn, you might not be able to see your earnings in your Gemgala. That does not mean that you don't have an earn, but it's not yet complete for you to see it. Remember, having enough followers in this app engineers every activity in the app to be active more. So guys, that is it on how to fix earnings not reflect in Gemgala. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.